Hi everyone. Today I will continue with the second part of the video how to create your own space in Dialux. Um, if you did not see the first part of this video, then please check it. The link is available in the description of this video. And the next steps is to choosing the luminaires for this application. And to remind you of which application we are talking about, you can just switch to the 2D view and then on the construction, and then you go on the following part of the space, and then you just double click on the space, and then you see we have a name this space as a storage. And if you want to see also the lighting parameters, just click on edit, and then the lighting parameters which we need to fulfill in terms of lighting solution, providing the correct lighting solution, are the following one displayed on the screen. Um, just to remind you, um, today we will work on the lighting solution. So when you want to choose the lighting for your the specific application they are working, then you just need to go on the light, and then on this part you have to choose the select button, and then you have here catalogs. You can see which catalogs I have installed already in Dialux and I'm currently using. And then if you want to use specific, you just need to double click on the catalog, and then a new browser. In a new browser, you have a product selector called, and then based on the application, you can choose a different luminaire. Here you need to switch, for example, to indoor, and then you'll see all the, let's say, lighting luminaires which are available from this manufacturer. And then I will say I will go with this type of luminaires. And if you know also the family name, for example, I'll go with this one, which is a trunking system. And here you can see the length, for example, the housing, and then the optic. I think it's very important, the optic, and also the light source. And in this case, you can go, for example, with this one, and then we can try two, I will say, medium beam, and this one. This is quite high, so 12,000 lumen. I doubt that we really need so high luminous flux, but let's add it. So we add this one, and then you just need to close, and you see it already here. So when you add the luminaire, which from a product selector, it should be displayed in this part in Dialux. And then you have a couple of options of how you want to arrange the luminaires for your space. In this case, having the racks, 3 racks here, I will go with a line arrangement. So I'll go from end to end. And then you see the length actually which you have. Sorry, it was not luminaire selected. So I have the shelves. We just give undo. We go on the light, and here draw line arrangement. So we will go once again with the luminaire this time. I also try to be also in the arrange it in the middle of the luminaires. You can just select on move, and then you will just select the entire row. And let's say we have a 10 here. Let's place 8 luminaires. So in this way you can change If we click on the line, then you can see moving down, you can see the photometric data, and as well the most important is the position from when it's start point, end point, and the position side. And then what is very important is the mounting height as well. So this one is on the ceiling side, so 8 meters, let's say. Maybe you can mount also something suspended, so then you just reduce the height. But in this case, I will let it as it is. And I will just copy this line with the option there, just copy paste. I try to do it in the same, to align same way, and I will do the same here. Now we can go on a 3D view and see the luminaires. If you want to see also the lighting distribution, you can just click on the luminaire, and then you go here on display options, and you have this option here, show light distribution curves, and you just you will see it. And if you want to see all of them, then you need control and then click, or sorry, shift. Yeah, it's the shift, and then just left click, and then you have all the light distribution. You can see for all the lines. And after you have the let's say you choose this luminaires, then it's easy. Just click on the start calculation button, and let's see the results. So I'm just curious to see the lux level that we obtain. So here we have a workplace 374, so it's much higher than we need in this case. Here the target is 200, and we see we have 374. So in this case, I would say we need to use even less luminaires. The work plan with measure, the 375, it's on the floor level. So in this case, if you want to, we need to, as I said, to reduce the lighting fixtures. And then you just place, I would say, 6 for each line. Once again, and then you just need to restart the calculation once again. Unfortunately, here for the last row, I see that it still remain 8 luminaires. It did not change. So I'll do it once again here. Just place 6 instead of 8. I don't know why it did not change. Yeah, so now once again, and here I guess we will be on 280, 90, close to 300 I would say, so less than before. Yeah, 280. So in this case we can remain like that, or we can go even drop, let's say instead of 6 you place 5 luminaires per row, or of course you can change the type of luminaire as I show you here by going to the selector, and then you choose a different type of luminaire from a product selector of a manufacturer, this manufacturer or other manufacturer which you have installed into Dialux. Additional information which you want to see is also the false colors in 3D aspect. So then you have very nice, let's say, highlight the light levels by colors. So in this case, if you go with the mouse cursor on the floor level, on bottom you see 286 here. If we switch on the other side, here 278. If you go on the wall, we have a 305. So this just to have a also better perception than compared with this view where we are now. So I would say that's all for today. If you find useful this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and until next time, I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Bye bye.